My father held in the village. The many other villagers came to celebrate with me. It was a tradition. In summer, there was a farm. Something really worth being proud of.
Back in the late 90s, police went to Xinjiang as railway workers and helped to build the Lanzhou-Xinjiang Railway, which runs nearly 2,000 kilometers in northwestern China. Following the